नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और बात करते हैं कि यूनाइटेड फोरम ऑफ सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, ये मैसेज सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एम्प्लॉइज के लिए है, जिसमें यूनाइटेड फोरम ने 15 जुलाई को एक सर्कुलर रिलीज किया और एड्रेस किया जनरल मैनेजर SCM सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया बॉम्बे को। अनवारंटेड प्रोवोकेशन फ्रॉम द मैनेजमेंट। We are constrained to observe that there are repeated attempts on the part of the management to violate the bilateral settlement, ignore judgments of the courts and labor laws, resort to unilateral decision, etc., in respect of matters vitally affecting the interest of the employees and officers. You are also aware that there have been agitation and the strike action against these attempts and efforts in the last 2 years. While we were expecting that the things would improve and the workforce can fully concentrate on business development, we find that again attempts are afoot to disturb the peaceful industrial relation climate, and the management wants to move in their deliberate path of confrontation and the conflict. A meeting of our UFCBU was held today evening, wherein the issues affecting the interest of the employees and officers were discussed in the context of the management's approach, attitude, decision, and the moves. After threadbare deliberations, the meeting decided that if the management does not take immediate measures to resolve the following issues, the UFCBU will be left with no alternative than the resort to agitational program, including strike action in the first week of August 24. Violation of transfer policy settlement and the bipartite settlement, non-honoring judgments of the courts, non-adhering to the advice of CLC labor authorities, denial of the request transfer including interstate request transfer, denial of the joint discussion with the AICBO and its units, attempt to implement provisions of Sastry Award on rotational transfer on employees anywhere in a state, and last, decentralization of the DAD procedures. We hope and believe that the management would understand, appreciate, and come forward to resolve the issue amicably by mutual discussion to avoid staff unrest and agitation. Looking forward, श्री कन्वेनर श्री BS राम बाबू। सेंट्रल बैंक के मैनेजमेंट के प्रति जो आक्रोश है, जब तक मैनेजमेंट मिलकर बात नहीं करती, रिजॉल्व होने की संभावना कम है। थैंक यू।